Hello everyone, I'm Jeff from COMAX. Today we will talk about the use of lacquered treatment for PVC tarpaulin fabric. The first use is self-cleaning. Usually, PVDF or acrylic lacquered on the surface of PVC tarpaulin, which can prevent dust pollution, increase self-cleaning, and at the same time increase abrasion resistance. The second use is to prevent adhesion when PVC tarpaulin roll opening. The surface of PVC tarpaulin roll without lacquered treatment is easy to stick together when opened, making it difficult to open the tarpaulin roll. It is also easy to damage the surface coating of the top. After lacquered treatment by PVDF or acrylic, the surface of tarpaulin roll becomes smooth, and the two layers of roll film will not stick together, making it easy to open. It also protects the coating on the roll film surface and increases the PVC tarpaulin's serve life. Please get in touch with us if you have any questions. Thanks for your watching.